Loving is hard, but it can also be rewarding and fulfilling. Remember that every relationship is unique and requires constant work and effort from both partners. But with love, respect, and communication, you can overcome any obstacle and enjoy a happy and healthy relationship. Here are some of the ways to rise stronger together in a relationship. 1. Spend quality time together. Set aside some time every day to reconnect with each other without distractions. It can be something simple like a quiet dinner or a relaxing movie. Quality time can help you bond and remind each other how much you care. 2. Try new things together. Doing something new and exciting can spice up your relationship and keep it from getting boring. It can also help you discover new aspects of each other and create shared memories. 3. Be vulnerable. Being vulnerable means opening up to your partner about your feelings, thoughts, fears, hopes, and dreams. It also means being honest, respectful, and supportive of your partner's vulnerability. Vulnerability can help you build trust, intimacy, and understanding in your relationship. It can also help you overcome conflicts and challenges together. 4. Create novel experiences. Novel experiences are those that are new, surprising, or challenging. They can stimulate your brain and create positive emotions. Novel experiences can also help you grow as a person and as a couple. They can be anything from traveling to a different country, taking on a new project, or facing a fear together. 5. Surprise with little things. Little things can be anything from leaving a sweet note, bringing flowers, cooking a favorite meal, or giving a massage. 6. Fight better. Fighting is inevitable in any relationship, but it doesn't have to be destructive. Fighting better means communicating effectively, listening actively, expressing your needs and feelings, respecting your partner's perspective, and finding a compromise or solution. 7. Share a loving story. Tell your partner how you met, how you fell in love, what you admire about them, what you are grateful for, and what you hope for the future. Sharing a loving story can help you reconnect with your partner emotionally, celebrate your achievements, and reaffirm your commitment.